everyone, welcome back. Today for day number 3 of the 13 Days of Halloween series, we're going to create a mani using some new colors from the Harley Quinn collection from Lift Your Spirit Dips. The first color here, it's a deep dark solid red called Paint the Streets in Blood. Now this is a solid deep red and it does not have any shimmer in it. And then the next color here is called Jokes on You, and this is a dark deep purple and it has some slight little foils in there. Nothing too crazy, just very light, just to give it a little bit of shimmer. And then the next color that we have here is one of my favorites from the collection, and it is called Rebel. And it is a beautiful, fine black glitter mix with foils that are silver, red, blue, and purple, and it is stunning. And when you see this dip later in the final pictures in the sunlight, it is stunning. And all these colors are from the I'm Freaking Harley Quinn collection that was just released from Lift Your Spirit Dips. And I'll go ahead and link all the colors that we used in today's mani in the description box below. And then I'll also link the entire collection as well, so you guys can check out the other colors from that collection. Now for today's mani, I am going to be doing the gel method, and then after that I'm going to hand place some foils, and then that's going to be the mani for today. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a few moments. All right, we're just finishing up this mani, and I really like the dark vibe of this mani. I think this collection is super pretty, and these colors are definitely reminding me of Harley Quinn, and I think this collection is also perfect for Halloween. So I'm going to go in with this cuticle oil. This is one of the cuticle oils that came in the October Mani of the Month box. So I'll also go ahead and link that in the description box below, and it smells amazing. So definitely check out Lift Your Spirit dips with this new collection, and I'll see you in tomorrow's spooky video. Have a spooky day. Bye.